Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recover Gmail account without a verification code. So if you log out of your Gmail and cannot access your verification code, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can recover it without needing that code. So whether you lost your phone, changed numbers, or just don't have access to your backup email, I'll show you how you can do all the Gmail recovery steps, alternative methods to regain access, and tips to boost your recovery success. So first, you can just go to the account recovery page by going to this page in here, accounts / sign in. And when asked for code, phone or email, you can click on try another way. Like for example, this one, you can click on this options and then keep clicking try another way if available until Google show you the backup options. You can also use the recovery options without code. So if you've signed in before from a known device or locations, Google may recognize it and you'll be prompted to answer security questions instead of a code. So after that, you can just provide the month or year you created the account and answer any backup questions shown. So tips for recovery success: you need to use a device and location you've used to sign in before and connect to a Wi-Fi network you've used previously with that Gmail, and be accurate and consistent when answering questions. You can also try the process multiple times a day because Google may give more options over time. So that's all from me. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe. Also click on the thanks for more quick how-tos and Google tips. Bye.